Hello students, in this video I am going to talk about Google Classroom. If you have created your Gmail ID and you are logged in into the Google Classroom, the first screen will display you your class. The screen will be similar in case of a mobile and a laptop. In order to open your class, click on the class name. The first screen that you see will give you the Stream tab active. And here you can see the announcements made by your teachers and the different events which occurred in chronological order. Means the latest event will be on the top. As you can see in this screen that it is written, "Good morning students, start your attendance now." Now you can give your attendance by writing the way you generally do. And click on this post button. And your attendance is submitted. Now let's talk about the classwork tab. When you open the classwork tab, you are in the area where your actual classroom activity goes on. In most of the cases, you will have the subject name and the classroom session, which will give you the details of the contents which will be discussed during the class. Then you will have the subject name and homework/assignment, which will give you the details of all the homework that you have. Next you have subject overview, where you will have the things for revision or some instructions from your teachers under that category. Similarly, you can have another category like your subject name and the weekly test, wherein you will get the different assignments or tests. Now in place of subject name, you will have your different subject names, like it will be English classroom session, English homework, English overview, and English weekly test. But remember, you will have only those headings displayed here under which some content has been posted. So all the headings that are displayed, they have some instructions and you need to check them all. The People tab, when you click on this, you will see the name of all your members of the class, the list of teachers and the list of students. So you can click on this and see the list of teachers and your classmates. Now let's get back to the classwork. I will start with the classroom session. So you can see here that we have a topic, Introduction to Microsoft Word. To see the contents, click on this header and you will see that you have the instructions and the material to see. You can see the material by simply clicking from here, or you can click on View Material, which will take the whole material to the next screen and you will see the details in the full screen. So now you can click on this content to view it. When you click, it is loaded. It takes a little time depending upon your internet speed, and you can read the content. Go back. See, here is a video also. So when you click on this, you have the video displayed on the screen and you can watch the video. You can make it full screen. You have the proper appropriate controls here. When you are done, go back. Now here you have the option to add a class comment. So for this topic, if I have a question, I can post it here and I can post them. Remember, whatever you post here is displayed to your classmates too, so everyone can see what you have posted. In case you have written a comment which is not appropriate for this situation, you can go to the options and click delete and your comment will be removed from here. But I recommend you think twice before posting anything because everybody can see it. Now let's go back to the previous topic. For this, you can click on the back button. Now scroll down to your classroom session. Click on the header to make it condensed. Now let's talk about the homework. So as you can see, you have the homework here. Click on the header to see the details. Now this shows you the details like when it is due. Means you have to complete it by 5 p.m. of the same day. You have the description here and you can see the contents which you have to deal with. On the right you have this status of your work, that is, it is assigned and you have still not completed it. In order to complete the assignment, you can click on the form from here, or you can click on view assignment to see the assignment in the same way as you did for the classroom session. Here on the right you can see the status of your work, that is assigned, and you have another space for private comments. Well, this private comments area is going to help you write the comments which will go directly to your teacher and it will not be visible for others. So it is a private comment. On the left, you have the comment area, class comments, which will be visible to your class. So you can ask the details for the assignment or you can give your feedback here. Now let's complete the assignment by clicking on the form. This opens the form in a new screen. I'm completing this assignment by doing as per the directions. When I'm done, I will click on submit. When I submit it, the response is generated and displayed on the screen. It says response submitted and assignment marked as done. Now we can close the tab. After you have completed your assignment, you will see the status of your work which has changed to handed in. So if you want, you can say, I have done. It's not necessary to say anything always, but if you want, you can say. Now let's go back to the other sections. For this, again we click on the back button. Scroll down. Now you can see that your homework here also shows the same status, that is handed in. Now click on the header to make it collapse and go to the other section. You can see the details from here. As you can see, there is no content here, means there is no associated file or material. You have the instructions here, read the instructions. If you have any query or any confusion about this, click on view material and you can add the class comments here. After you have done your work, you can go back to the home screen and see if there are any more announcements. So whenever you want to see if there is something new going on, you can see the stream section of your classroom. Here it will show you what has been posted recently or so far. Thank you.